Welcome back, everyone. It's Matt Sr. from 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here in Pittsburgh, PA. This video comes after many requests to see some of our purple LED offerings. I will alert you that we do not sell our purple equipment online. It is offered locally. It is offered for installation to specified markets such as funeral homes, um, funeral procession, escort organizations. This here, what we have in front of us, is a pair of our linear 3 LED surface mounts. These come with 14 flash patterns and an off mode. These can be synchronized to flash simultaneously or alternate in a highly accurate sync feature. We do offer a TIR3 version in purple. We have dash lights, numerous size and lengths, stick lights. We offer a couple variety of hideaways, which obviously can be mounted in a hideaway application, or we also surface mount them strategically on many jobs in different situations. So I'm going to go through a couple of flash patterns here. I'm going to put a darkening filter on here that will make this a little bit easier to enjoy in view without blinding you. If you don't already know, all equipment offerings that we have come with a minimum 5-year warranty. We do offer many of the industry-leading lifetime warranty warning lights, but we do not currently offer those in a purple version. So all of our purple equipment falls under the 5-year manufacturer industry standard manufacturer warranties. Don't worry, these are not out of sync. These are, this is a pattern that is meant to appear as a random pattern. So that wraps it up as far as flash patterns are concerned. Remember to trust the experts for your next project, whether it be purple LED lighting for your funeral application or emergency, or of course we are an Amber specializing shop. We specialize in the strategic placement of amber warning lights to utilize the best life-saving technologies for the towing industry, public works, construction, utility services. Give us a call, 412-708-6732. You can always visit our web store at www.eliteledwarnings.com. You can always give us a call. Shoot us an email at 412psecustoms@gmail.com. Normally respond within 24 to 48 hours. And also, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. And make sure to click on that bell. I promise we will have some better, fresh content coming. We'll be doing some really good review videos. Trying to get consent from our customers to start doing video footage of the majority of our builds. So stay tuned. And as always, guys, be safe out there.